Hey, and welcome! Merry Christmas! And we're looking forward to a very, very amazing Christmas this year. So, hey guys, welcome back to my page. I haven't had any videos for a while, but this one is so important, isn't it? We need to really wish each other a Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So we're out here in New Lynn, beautiful park, absolutely amazing. And beautiful weather. We walk, we love the weather, we love just being out in nature. And here we are, we walked to New Lynn. On our way back, we're making a couple of videos. So thank you for coming on our page, and just, you know, we just got a lot of links there that you can see. I wish you to click onto it and just check it out and see what's in store for you. Maybe you could do something for yourself. This is Christmas. You could start something different, and it's absolutely amazing journey that we're having right now, making crypto coins, mining them and banking them into Binance, which gets transferred into our account. There is a Binance bank here in New Zealand right now, so also there should be a link to join the Binance. But hey, just click onto the crypto mining, also TRX mining, whichever one links I have there, and subscribe to my page so that you could see many, many more things that are happening right now. Whatever you're going through with your Christmas, you know, right now, you just need to chill out and relax. This is what's so important about Christmas. A lot of people are so busy, full of excitement, and not only excitement, but a bit of stress, a stressful time too for a lot of people, because they think they have to do this and do that. But we bring you peace right now. We want to bring you peace, and I heard a really great sermon on Sunday, not pieces. Don't go into pieces and think about all those other, this and that, but they are pieces. But peace, let peace come into you, and you will feel the love of Jesus Christ, because Christmas is all about Jesus when he was born. So let Jesus bring you peace this Christmas, and enjoy the time of going into a mass service on a Christmas Eve evening. If you've never been to one, go to a Catholic church and you'll see what it's all about. But anyway, I bring you peace this Christmas, and I do pray that everything that you will have would be peaceful, but not in pieces, just peace. And I leave you with peace right now. Don't forget, subscribe to my page and click into my links, and we'll see you next time on my video. Bye for now.